Good morning, you guys. It is Monday, March something, and I'm on my way to work. We had just a chill weekend. We didn't do very much. We started this TV series, The Stand. That was pretty entertaining. We watched the first few episodes. We still need to finish the rest of it. I think we'll probably watch the rest of it this week. I met up with Sarah Friday for a few minutes, and then she popped over on Saturday for a few minutes. And then we went golfing yesterday, which you'll see a video of. It was fun. New golf courses. We've been to I don't know. I want to say 10 different courses, but it could be 8 different courses. But yeah, we've been to a whole bunch of different courses on Maui, and it's been kind of fun. I don't golf, but everybody else does. I just really like to go along for the fun, for the ride, for hanging out, that kind of stuff. Yeah, I don't really have a whole lot else to say, so I will catch up with you guys later. Can you hear it? I'm at work right now, and it is pouring, downpouring. I can hear it on my roof, which I don't typically hear it like this. Ooh, it's coming down! How to get over there. Run. Oh God, that's so cold. They have to all watch out for the chickens. Don't hit any chickens. Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Oof. Yeah.
Always looks so much better in the air.
All right, so I think this is the end for us. Jonah just finished his last hole. We only did 9 today. Yeah, because we weren't sure how the weather was going to hold out, but it seems to have cleared up, so that's great. We'll see what else we get up to. So we came to put our cart away, and this chicken is sitting on the car. You're gonna have to go. You can't stay there. What? Okay, so apparently the chicken didn't just decide to sit on our car. She laid a freaking egg in our car. You can't have that. You can't live up there either.
Text Amanda?
I did. Hey, you can't stay up there. So it's really pretty sunset. We just had a parade of people walk by that was kind of interesting. One guy was really mad. The other people, I knew the dog, and then the other guy had a cart where one of his wheels wasn't spinning. It was kind of interesting. I mean, we saw some whales right up there. Oh, but yeah, not very close. It was kind of fun though. And I think we are gonna finish up here and head home here in a minute and find something to eat for dinner. So I'll catch up with you guys soon. Much aloha. Bye. Oh, I just saw the spout again. He's right there. Yay, there he is. There's another one. Different one. And down they go. Wow, it's a whole bunch of them. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thank you. Okay, so I think I've walked by these trees a million times and I've talked about them before, but I don't know if I've ever gotten it on video to share. So I'm going to show you these trees really quick. Good morning, you guys. So I'm on my way to work and it's Friday. Yay, Friday. And I am not sure exactly what I'm gonna do this weekend when it comes to recording, because Sunday is not only my dad's birthday, but it is also the day that we are celebrating Holi, which is the festival of colors. In India, it's where they throw all the powder and stuff. So anyways, pretty exciting. Just wanted to reach out and say aloha and hopefully create some fun video this weekend. I will catch up with you guys a little bit later. Bye. Aloha, you guys. I'm done with work. It's Friday. Yay! I just got done at Ace. I dropped off something that I picked up yesterday that wasn't the right thing, so I had to exchange it. And I am going to get Friday coffee. Jonah and I don't get coffee out super often, and we kind of allow it to be a treat for ourselves. It's not I mean, we do it way more than we probably should, but it's Friday, and I asked Jonah if he wanted anything, and he said, Friday coffee would be great. I'll buy if you get it. So, we are going to get coffee. I am probably going to turn this off, dance to some more music. Maybe I will listen to my book. We'll see. It's Friday. I'll probably dance. Yay! So I stopped at home, gave Jonah his coffee, and now I'm gonna go visit Sarah for a little while. It's just her house as far as I know. Maybe Camry, who is also my neighbor who lives in my house, might be there, but just gonna go stop over there and chit chat for a little bit, have a little after work hangout session, and then I'll come home. Tomorrow I get my vaccine, and then I am going to prepare for the party for Sunday. I have some, not a lot, but a little bit of setting up that I want to get done, and just making sure that everything is prepared, making sure that my outfit's ready, and all of that good stuff. So yeah, pretty excited. I'm excited for this weekend. I have talked about this before, maybe not in video, but I truly believe that I need something to look forward to in order to be happy. And it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Like, actually it doesn't have to be anything crazy at all. It could just be something very stupid and small. I'm super easy to like entertain, but I need something to look forward to. And so, like, on weekends that we don't have anything planned, and like the only thing that we have planned is to basically do chores, run errands, and sit at home and do nothing, that I get really depressed on those weekends, because I'm just like, oh, I hate this. Like, there's nothing fun to look forward to, and then I just go back to work on Monday, and it's just kind of a bummer. And I know this about myself, so what I've been trying to do is plan little things. And this weekend happens to be Holi, which I will tell you all about later if I haven't already told you about some of it already. But Holi is this weekend, and it makes me really excited because it's something to look forward to. Plus, I'm getting vaccinated, which I'm already pretty excited for. Well, I'm at Sarah's house already because she doesn't live very far away from me, and I should have just ridden my bike over here, but I already had my car on and running, and so I just dropped off Jonah's coffee and popped into Sarah's neighborhood. And yay! Oh my gosh, it's Friday!
later.
Okay, bye.